day, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy Botshelo Sello. Welcome back to my another YouTube video. So for tonight, we're just gonna check 4 pairs that will make us profitable this week. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to comment down below. So let's get down to the chart and see which pairs that are gonna make us money this week. So let's get down to it. So the first pair that we're going to check is gold. I don't know why I removed my trend lines. So let me just do my trend lines so we can see how the market is moving. So this is definitely a reversal pattern. So that means the market is changing the direction. So what we need to do now is look for an entry. What we need to look for is an entry so we can go down to the downside. But as I'm seeing this is on the 4-hour time frame. We have a strong zone here. Let me just show you the zone. So in order for us to go in for sell, we need to break the zone here. That's where we're going to get in for sell entries. That's where we're going to go in if the market breaks the zone. So in order for us to go in this trade, we need for the market to break and come and retest the zone, because this is a strong zone. Come retest the zone and go down with it. So but for now it's rejecting here on the zone, so we need to check the options what the market has for us. We can wait for a sell entry while maybe the market wants to go up just for another third touch, and we're still waiting. We only looking for a sell entry, so we might have a second scenario, so which is going to the upside. Let's just go down to the 1 hour and just to see what's actually happening here. But I see here is a continuation pattern. Let's just go down to the 1 hour so you can see what's happening. So yeah, guys, you see here it's rejecting, so it doesn't want to go low. So let's see the other option that we have here. You might get a buy entry. You might get a buy entry here. Let me just do this. Just do makes sense. Let me just do it like this. Like this is much better. So we have another option here. Let's not just look for that sell opportunity only. So the other option we have here, it's for the price to go up, then come for a retest, then go up for a third touch. So we just need to be careful here. Just need to be careful because there's a strong zone. So we just have to wait for the market and see how it plays. But that's the two scenarios that I have. But I think it might go up and break this channel here. Then that's when we go in. But if it doesn't do so, we'll just wait for it to go up, maybe come and break the structure here, break this trend line, and then wait for it to go down, then come for a retest on our trend line and touch our zone here. Then we're definitely going down with it. But for now, let's wait and see. Let's patiently wait for it and see how it plays. But for now, I won't buy or I won't sell. I'll have to wait for it to come to these two scenarios. So the second pair that we're going to check is AUD CAD. AUD CAD. So here I went in, but I see that there is another continuation pattern here happening. So let's go down. Let me just go down to the 4-hour first so you can see what's happening here. You can see the price broke here, came for a retest, we went in, then it went up, but it's still playing here, but our target is here. So let's just go down to the smaller time frame just to see what's happening here. Maybe we might get an entry. We might get an entry. So we just have to patiently wait for the market just to see what's happening. Yes, I can see another continuation pattern to the upside. See another continuation pattern to the upside. So what might happen here is that it might come for a third touch. It might come here before we break the structure. It might come here and retest again, retest here on this zone. Then that's when we can get in and go up with it. This is the first scenario. Or it might just break where it is here. It might just break here. It might just break and come for a retest, then go, and we go up with it. Don't forget, guys, this is a long trade, so we'll have to patiently wait for these entries. That's what we have to do, guys. We have to patiently wait for these entries in order for us to go in. And this is a beautiful setup, so we're still going to the upside. We just want to get an entry here. So we'll see how the market moves. It might come here for a third touch, then that's where we go in, or it might break the structure, wait for it to come for a retest, then we go up with it. So the third pair that we're going to check is Euro NZD. On Euro NZD, we did get an entry and it's moving heavily to the downside. Let me go down to the daily time frame just for you guys to see what's happening. Actually, let me go down to the weekly time frame, because for me it broke the structure. Let me just, for me it broke the structure, so price went up, might come here, we might come back here for a retest, and that's when we go up with it. For those who didn't get an entry, so you see now it's playing, so we see how it moves. But in order for us to get in the trade, this is what we'll be looking for another continuation pattern. Then we know that we're still going to the upside. So this is what we'll be waiting for in order for us to go in on this trade. This is what we'll be waiting for. Another continuation pattern in order for us to go in. And we go up with it. So this is my scenario on Euro NZD. So, but we'll just have to wait and see how it plays. But that's what we actually waiting for. In order for us to go in the trade, we're waiting for a pattern. When then a pattern starts to form, then that's when we get ready. So we know that we're going to go up with it. So this is what we'll be waiting for on Euro NZD. It's moving nicely to the upside, so we just have to wait and get an entry. So we just have to wait for it to start forming a pattern, then that's when we go up with it and we get in the trade. So the last pair that we're going to check is GBP USD. The pair that we're going to check. We also have here a reversal pattern. Also have a reversal pattern here on this trade. So this is our first, second. We might get a third touch. And after getting a third touch, then that's when we're going to go down with it. So let's just go down to the smaller time frame just to see what's happening. So this is on the 4-hour time frame. Let me just move this over so it shouldn't confuse you. So if it broke the structure here, that's where we were going to sell. If it broke the structure, but I see here that there is a strong zone here. Let me just do it for you so you can see it. It's going to be a strong zone. That's where we're going to sell. When the market comes, obviously we'll break and come back for a retest, then that's when we go up with it. But for now, we can see that the momentum is to the upside. For now, we can see that the momentum is to the upside, so it might break the structure here. So if it breaks the structure, obviously we're going to wait for it to break. Definitely before we go in, we wait for it to break, then come for a retest. Comes for a retest, that's when we go in or go up with it. So whichever way, guys, we wait for a retest in order, even if it breaks heavily to the upside. If it moves heavily to the upside, what it might do is it might come and retest the zone here. So we'll always catch the market no matter what happens. If it moves heavily to the upside, if it doesn't come for a retest here, so what we do is we wait for it to break here, the zone here, then wait for it to come for a retest, then that's where we go up with it. So might come here for a third touch. I will see how it plays, but please guys, wait for a retest, then that's where we go up with it. Then market will never leave you, will always get another entry. So be patient, let's see how it plays. We might evolve this, so but we'll definitely see how it plays. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and make sure to comment down below. Thank you very much, guys.